Hi, I'm Amadeus, and we're gonna make albondigas soup today. So we're gonna make the meatballs first for the soup, and what we're gonna need is 1/2 pound lean ground beef, 1/2 pound chorizo sausage, casing removed, 1 egg beaten, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1/2 carrot minced, 1/2 cup of cooked rice, 1/2 cup of cilantro leaves chopped, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Okay, so first what we're going to do is, all you have to do is you have to add all the things into your mixing bowl, which you can see here that we have. And so let's start with the 1/2 pound of lean ground beef. Now, like I said, all you have to do is add all this in and then mix it up by hand. And then 1/2 pound chorizo. Now you can use your traditional pork chorizo that you can get from any Mexican market really, or you can use soy chorizo, which is what we're going to be using here today. Now, with your traditional pork chorizo, you would have a little bit of a different casing on it that you'd have to take off. But with the soy chorizo, it's just all in a meat casing. Okay, now that we have all of our chorizo in there, we can add our 1 egg. Okay. All you have to do is beat the egg. And add it to your mixture. Now we can add our 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1/2 carrot, minced, 1/2 cup of cooked rice, and we're going to use uncooked rice because it cooks when when the meatballs are actually being boiled inside of the soup, and when you're cooking the rice inside of the meat, it tends to get more of the meat flavors, which is kind of nice. So you can use cooked or uncooked rice in this process. Okay, now we have 1/2 cup of cilantro leaves chopped. That'll just about do it. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and you can just use standard table salt or sea salt, whichever you prefer. One 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm just going to eyeball this one. That'll just about do it. And then 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Okay. Now you're going to mix this all by hand. By just really, you just kind of have to get in there and roll the meatballs.